www.gibsontruckworld.com 2005 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT Crew Cab Long Bed Cummins Diesel 4-wheel drive with 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Riding on a nice set of 285 Nittos, $670 Reese 16K fifth wheel hitch, $500 Line 10 spray and bed liner, $300 Nerf bars, sliding rear window, CD player, keyless entry, alarm, towing package, power windows, power mirrors and power door locks. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States, 12 months free maintenance, $1,000 value. From our 23-base service department and our exclusive 15-day return policy. It sounds too good to be true, but it is true. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a better truck for less. Gibson Truck World is nations ahead of the competition. At Gibson Truck World in